Hello guys, and welcome to another weekly news video. My name is Styliana, I'm the head of investments and market research at Here, and in today's video we're going to see how the commodities, stocks and crypto markets reacted to the news, and also what to expect in the current week from the markets. The busiest week of the year for investors is here, so let's start. In the previous week, we had the ECB press conference. The European Central Bank surprised with a 50 basis points hike and refrained from giving guidance going forward. We think the ECB will hike rates by 50 basis points again in September and October, but risks are clearly tilted towards a 75 basis points move in September. Now let's move into the crypto news of the current and previous week, and of course we'll start with Tesla. Tesla sold about 75% of its Bitcoin to add $936 million to balance sheet. According to Tesla's second quarter earnings report, the automaker has reportedly sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings for fiat currency, adding $936 million of cash to its balance sheet. Tesla CEO Elon Musk attributed the move to concerns surrounding liquidity in light of the COVID shutdowns in China. He laid emphasis on the conversion not being seen as a verdict on Bitcoin. The sale has reportedly brought Tesla's current Bitcoin holdings down to $218 million. The amount was included in the company's second quarter earnings report under the heading Proceeds from Sale of Digital Assets. Tesla announced impairment costs totaling $106 million on its remaining Bitcoin, in addition to other charges which offset the revenues from the sale of its crypto holdings. In other news, Voyager rejects FTX and Alameda buyout offer, says no customer will be made whole. Voyager Digital has finally responded to FTX and Alameda Ventures' joint offer to buy out the assets of Voyager and offer Voyager customers an advance on their bankruptcy claims as long as they sign up on FTX. Voyager turned down the offer and called it a lowball bid dressed up as a white knight rescue that only benefits FTX. Moving on, Three Arrows Capital founders break silence over collapse of crypto hedge funds. Three Arrows Capital founders Sue Zhu and Kyle Davis finally broke their silence after spending 5 weeks in hiding. The founders discussed the demise of their own once-premise hedge fund in great detail, claiming that their botched crypto speculation had offset cascading margin calls on loans that should have never been taken. Moving into the current week, guys, we have Federal Reserve, we have tech earnings, GDP data, what to know ahead of the busiest week of the year. A jam-packed week of market-moving developments awaits traders in the coming days, headlined by the Fed, tech earnings and key economic data. The Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting is set to take place this coming Tuesday and Wednesday, July 26 and 27, with the central bank expected to raise interest rates another 75 basis points or 100 basis points, because who knows anymore. On the earnings side, some of the S&P 500's most heavily weighted components, including Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta Platforms, Apple, and Amazon, are among more than 170 companies scheduled to report second quarter results through Friday. Also in the spotlight will be the Thursday's advanced estimate of second quarter GDP, as market participants continue to debate whether a recession is already underway. Economists expected this report to show the US economy grew at an annualized pace of 0.5% last quarter. If the GDP numbers come out negative, then it means that we are officially in a recession. That's all the news for the current week, guys. That's also what happened in the previous week. So if you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.